Hey lovelies, Madam Sophy here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. This is Urban Decay's latest release thus far. And I've been longing to try this palette, do a tutorial with this palette for you guys for a while now, but I have been super busy and I'm finally getting the chance to come on here to do this tutorial for you guys. So, I mean, like they always say, better late than never. I know I'm late, but oh well. It is what it is. If this is your first time visiting the Madam Sophy channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell on your way out. Well, subscribe first, and then hit that bell on your way out so you can be part of the Sophia's Mix. Don't forget, you gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. So I hope that you guys like this video, and please stay tuned to see how I came up with this final look. Now, this eyeshadow palette, it says on here, Naked Cherry is ripe for the picking with 12 all new sweet and tart cherry hued shades, including shimmering pinks, warm peaches, and deep burgundies, from Bang Bang to soft micro sparkle pink. to ambitious, a deep metallic copper, and drunk dial. This forbidden fruit has everything you need to create ethereal daytime looks to wildly seductive smoky eyes with cherries fresh vibes. It feels like we're getting naked again for the very first time. So this is what it says on the at the back of the box. I really like that that part when they describe the product. Definitely they did do justice by this by the description on the box, because I was able to get a look that is very much on the cherry side. And so this is basically what the palette looks like. I really love the packaging of this product. It is very sleek. It looks very expensive. You get 12 shades of colors in this palette. This is what the palette looks like. Now the palette doesn't have any clips. Normally you'd get like those little clips that would clip the covering in, but you do get, I believe there's magnets. So once you're when you close the palette, it's going to close by using magnets. So you have 12 amazing colors in this palette. Thus far, I can tell you for a fact that the colors are very pigmented. It is very much on the blendable side, even though yes, you do get kickback with the matte palettes. The shimmer colors are somewhat on the buttery side, but I mean you still get kickback with when you use the colors. But I mean, despite that, the colors are very much on the pigmented side, and I really love the way the final look I was able I really love the final look I was able to come up with using this eyeshadow palette. Now apart from using the Naked Urban Decay Cherry eyeshadow palette, for foundation I went ahead and used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in the color 12.5 and 13. I use that combination on my face. I also set it with the Almay Smart Shade setting powder in the color medium. To set my under eye area, I went ahead and used the Beauty Bakery Flower in the color yellow. For highlighter today, I went ahead and used my two Master Chromes highlighters in Molten Rose Gold and Molten Gold. These were the two highlighters I used today. For lips, I went ahead and I used the Melissa Michelle Lip Duo. This is a collaboration with Melissa Michelle and Ulta Beauty, and I used both lip liner and lip color, and this is in the color Dainty. And I also topped up my lips with my very favorite lip topper for the moment. This is the Prisma Lip Glaze from Catrice Cosmetics, and this is in the color Princess Peach. I really love this lip topper. This is no stranger to my channel. I use it all the time, and I'm really looking forward to getting another one of this, or probably getting it in a different shade. I think if I really love this shade, I may love all the others. So this is what I used today. I don't have any wig on. I'm rocking a natural look. I'm really loving the way I was able to rock this look with a natural look, and some big old hoops. Okay, so that is gonna be it for today for what I used on my face. I don't think I used any primer, and normally I don't use a primer on my face when I do tutorials, especially if I'm doing tutorials back to back. I would not normally use primer because I'm gonna put it on and take it off anyway, so it doesn't really make sense wasting the product. I'm just saying. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. I hope that this tutorial was very helpful to you, and I hope that I was able to kind of let you know whether that product would be a hit or a miss for you. I know that currently a lot of stores have promotions going on because I mean we're in the middle of Thanksgiving and Christmas and Black Friday and all that good sale stuff to get you overpacked on your makeup collection. But a lot of stores are doing promotions right now. I know that Ulta Beauty have some things that they will be having for Black Friday. It may not include the higher end makeup stuff, but I know that a few stores will be having promotions going on around that time on some of their products. I bought this eyeshadow palette at Ulta Beauty, and at the time I was able to use 20% off my entire purchase. So this is how I was able to purchase this product. And as you guys know, I'm not gonna spend regular retail price on my makeup. But anyway, that is it for today. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. I hope that you love this tutorial. I hope that you love the final look I was able to come up with. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be amazing. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.